it's been a long week, but the weekend is finally here, and I get to entertain you and update you on the latest in the trends, in news, in entertainment, in fashion, and many more. My name is Daphne Flashley, and you're most welcome to MX BREAKZ right here on MX24 TV. Let's get straight into our stories for today, and we're starting. Now, good news for rapper Medikal. He's been appointed by the National Youth Authority as the anti-drug campaign ambassador, yes, for the Red Means Stop campaign. And so we know that Ghanaian youths are, getting into drugs and all. But for someone like Medikal to come on board as the frontliner, trust me, is going to be amazing. Now he gets to speak to people, gets to go to outreaches, tours, and all of that as the youth ambassador. So let's get into the story. Now, the story is pretty clear, so let's get into it. Ghanaian rapper Medikal has been appointed as the new ambassador for the National Youth Authority anti-drug campaign Red Means Stop, aimed at combating substance abuse among young people in Ghana. The announcement was made by the Minister for Youth Development and Empowerment, Opare Addo, who said the rapper's strong influence among the youth makes him a strategic choice to drive the youth campaign's message. Let's take a look.
In a strategic move to enhance the campaign, campaign's appeal and credibility among the youth, the National Youth Authority has appointed renowned Ghanaian musician Medikal as an official Red Means Stop ambassador. Medikal's significant influence among young Ghanaians, particularly those his music and social media, through his music and social media presence, makes him an ideal advocate for substance-free living. As Red Means Stop ambassador, Medikal serves as a visible role model, championing anti-drug messaging through his artistic work, public appearance, and social media platforms. His involvement includes participating in schools outreach, featuring Red Means Stop themes in music videos and performances among young people, and engaging with young fans on substance abuse